Maybe 4 or 5 branches. And you see the flower purple? It's the same thing over there.
Oh, yeah.
Holy basil, Thai basil, butterfly pea flower, yeah. Sawtooth coriander, eggplant. Organic raw sugar, just a little bit, like half spoon. I'm gonna add this for you. This salt, just a little bit of quality.
What is the yellow?
Turmeric. Okay, tofu crunchy garlic shallot right now. You can leave spatula on the wok. See, it won't be oily everywhere. Hey, you like runny or you like it cooked?
Runny.
We're gonna take the egg out first, yeah?
Yep.
That look good. Turn the gas on low already?
Yep.
Yeah, low. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more because you need to fry egg. Gentle, slowly, when you take it out, yeah? Boiling and then you flip it. You see? But try to don't stir like that because sometimes people do that. Just for you to know, don't do that because you're gonna make the noodle crumb. You add the salt, you see? Water a little bit, just a little bit, you know, like about a tablespoon, just to give some moisture. Maybe a little bit more water than a little bit more. Yes, okay, a little bit more. You see, the sauce will be thick. The beans pop up green. Now you see the sauce. You know, you see the consistency of the sauce, right? Like that, it's good, and the leaf dark green is good. Turn the gas off. What about you taste it? You see, it's gonna be too hot for you, but it has to be spicy. I love that. It's so tasty on fire with the right on the side. Look at that. Wow. Restaurant quality. Yay! Good job. Do you remember anything? You good? Fry egg first and I will help you.